As artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies rapidly evolve, humans are asking questions. How should we interact with AI? What does the future of design look like with AI? Will AI replace people in creative roles? At Solidworks, we are asking different questions. With the power of AI, how do we redefine what aid means in computer-aided design? How can AI and machine learning eliminate mundane, repetitive tasks? How do we harness the power of AI so designers can focus on innovation? We're answering those questions with the Design Assistant, part of the Solidworks browser-based design solutions. The Design Assistant includes a collection of tools with built-in machine learning algorithms that learn from you as you design and offer suggestions based on your own particular workflows. Selection Helper predicts and suggests which of your model's entities you should select next. Mate Helper automatically inserts multiple instances of components into your assembly by recognizing and suggesting locations for replication. Sketch Helper recognizes existing sketch geometry in relation to surrounding geometry and suggests additional locations to place sketch entities. SmartMate helps you create fully constrained mates. Drag and hold a component into position, and SmartMate will automatically create mates to surrounding components, recognizing the correct mating faces. The tools in the Design Assistant become more intelligent based on your personal workflows, adapting to you in real time and providing up-to-date suggestions based on the way you work. AI and machine learning technologies are constantly evolving, and so is the way we design. Discover the Design Assistant and see how your computer can aid your designs today.